and welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and today I'm doing a very nice airdrop for my team members. Let's go over the growth of the team. I'm also going to do an additional deposit today, and the pool is looking very healthy here. The team is small, and we're producing good daily rewards. Pretty soon at this rate, everyone is going to receive one splash token in a matter of weeks. This is going to be a bigger airdrop that we've normally seen just because the team is growing. So before I do the airdrop, I'm going to deposit myself 2 AVAX. So let's go to the top. Let's go to the well. And I'm going to deposit 2 AVAX here into the pool. I'm going to receive a minimum of 4.59 splash there. Let's buy 2 there, 2 AVAX worth. Awesome. So that got processed. Let's go back to the tap. And there we go. 4.245 splash tokens. Now, I still haven't paid myself here. I continue to add to the pool with my teams, and I don't plan on withdrawing any profits for myself until the future. So I'm actually going to deposit the full amount of 4.245 splash tokens so that we can get those nice compound rewards for next week. So let's go. I'm going to deposit the max amount. Let's approve that. Confirm. The total deposit right now is 127.944. And the transaction is confirmed. Oops, I need to deposit now. Confirm. And there we go. It's been processed. And we see it here reflecting on the deposits. 143.452. Perfect. Big rookie mistake, guys. I just withdrew all the available splash tokens that I was going to airdrop. So basically, when I did that deposit, it reinvested the available splash tokens. I was supposed to do the airdrop first and then add to the pool. So that was my mistake. But luckily for the team, I still need to do an airdrop. So there was about 12 tokens there. I was going to airdrop a few tokens and reinvest the other half anyways. So today I will be doing a 5 splash airdrop. I'm actually going to have to purchase them right now so that I can do it. I totally forgot that when you deposit, it resets your available tokens and reinvests them. This is good because we're going to have more rewards coming next week. And going forward, I'm going to do these airdrops on Monday. So now we have a total amount deposited here for the team, $5,288. Very nice. I started this team with about $1,200 and we're already up to $5,000. Good job, guys. And we have 2 new team members. Thank you guys for joining. And this is a breakdown. So now let's go back to the well. I need to buy 5 more of these guys. That would be, I think, somewhere around 3 AVAX here. Let me put 2.5, 2.2, 2.2. So I'm going to buy 2.2 here. Because of that mistake, we're all getting more money into the pool, and we're going to have nice airdrops going forward. All right, the transaction is confirmed. And if we go back to the tab, whoa, what happened there? Huge slippage there. What happened? Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna have to add more money here. Okay, I'm gonna add more money. I wanna give 5 splash tokens today, so I'm gonna have to go back. I don't know what happened. That was huge slippage. I know there is a 10% tax if you buy with other sites. They're not supposed to tax if you buy in this site. It looks like they did. I'm not sure. I'll put another half AVAX there. I'm gonna go broke here with these fees. Okay, let's go. Okay, confirm. Let's go back to the tap. Okay, I have enough tokens there so I can airdrop 5 tokens to my team. Great, so now we can start the airdrop. Luckily for you guys, I keep track of all my transactions and I have these spreadsheets. So I'm gonna make sure that everybody gets 1 splash token and I don't airdrop someone accidentally a second one before not giving everyone one splash token. So this was last week's airdrop, and I'm gonna do 5 today. Team viewer, use my address, and let's view all. All right, so here's the team. I'm going to randomly select 5 addresses. Let me copy here, and let me make sure they're not duplicated here. That's 1. Let's get another one here. That's 2. Okay, that one's not duplicated. Let's get another one. Let's go with this one. 3. All right, I don't see that one in there. Let's get another one. Let's go with this one. Is that one in here? I think it is. 856. Yes, that one already received a token. Let's go to another one. A6 is not here. Perfect. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I need one more address. Let's go with this one here. It ends in 8A. Okay, it's not here. Perfect. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So these are the airdrop winners for this week. There we go. And this is going to be for 3/20/2022. And the current price of Splash right now, 36.9, basically 37. So very nice airdrop today for those lucky members. Very nice. And for the ones that I airdropped last week, that's the current value of those tokens if you didn't sell them and you're still holding them. Or maybe you redeposited them into your tap. So let's just copy here. Awesome. So let's start off with this one here. 5E. 5E, you're about to get splashed. Let's go to direct airdrop. Player's address. 5E, let me confirm that. Yes, that looks right. 2F5E, 2F5E, okay. You're getting splashed. One splash there for you, my friend. Send. And confirm. Perfect. Confirm. Alrighty, there we go. And that was taken away. I'm going to refresh just to play it safe. Let's do another direct airdrop. So that one is done. On to the next one, 007. You're about to get splashed. 007, one splash token there, send. Confirm. Perfect. Transaction confirmed. Okay, that was processed. Let's go to the next one. Let's refresh just to play it safe. Now we're doing 0B. You're up next, my friend, 0B. Let's go to direct airdrop. Put the address. One splash for my friend there, 0B. Let's send that. Confirm. All right, it's been approved, and let's send it. All right, that was processed. Let's refresh and let's go to the next one. Direct. And let's go to A6 here. You're next. Copy that. There we go. And A6, my friend, you're getting one splash. Let's go. Let's approve this. Let's give permission. All right, perfect. Let's confirm that. All right, and the last one. 8A here, 8A. Copy that. Let's refresh. Direct airdrop. 1 splash there for my friend 8A. Send that. Confirm. All right, let's approve this. Beautiful. And we're done with the team airdrop. So the next airdrop is going to be on next Monday. And those rewards are going to be awesome. So far, these rewards have been great. And based on the size of the team, it's working very nicely. Good job there. If you guys want to join the team, links under the description of this video. You can contribute as much as you would like. You deposit into the tab, earn your own rewards, and since you're in my team, you're gonna earn extra airdrops. Lately, I've been giving 1 splash, and I want to continue that until we cover the complete team. And as the team grows, I'll be able to give more and more splash. Next week, I'm probably going to give somewhere around 10 to 20 splash based on the new deposits and compounding. So next week, it's going to be pretty good. I already airdropped 8 team members. So I have, as of now, I have 35 more to go. I'm also gonna do the Diamond Team airdrop today. I'm also gonna do my Diamond Team airdrop today. I'm probably going to add to this pool. And as of now, we're at $640, 1.6 BNB. So this team's a lot smaller, and I'm gonna reinvest some of this and airdrop some of this. And currently we have 15 members. So thank you for those who have joined. I'm gonna see, maybe I airdrop today $10 each person. I'm gonna add to it, so I'm gonna do that next. If you wanna earn passive income, join my team and earn extra rewards. This is the best way that I give back to my community. I like this app better. It shows that I haven't withdrawn anything for myself. And I'm not going to until the team grows in the future. Right now, I'm investing with you guys, and I don't think it's fair as we're growing the team that I take in profits. On the contrary, I've been depositing more money into these pools. So I'll continue to add to it until we grow to a nice size. And then at that point, once everyone has received a nice airdrop, then I'll start paying myself later. So this is where we're at, my Diamond Team and Splassive. I will leave a link under the description of this video if you want to join either team. So that's going to do it for this one. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.